Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have discussed some questions based on chapter number 1 and 2. Now, starting with the type B short questions. In the previous video, we have discussed about very short. Now, type B short answers question. So, let us start with the very first question. Yes. What do you understand by truth table and truth function and how these are related? So that is the theoretical concept. You can just write the answer from here, or there is no need to write this question because that is not important. So you can look at answer from here, or if you want to write it, then note it down. We will discuss some important questions only. So next one is, what do you understand by logical function? What is the alternative name of it, and give some examples for it. So you can read out the answer for this as well. Look at here. Already we have done this, so I'm not going to repeat it again. Moving on to the next, tautology and falsity also we have discussed. Third question, what is that, and you have to prove. Yes, this type of question comes in your exam actually. What is tautology and falsity? This one we have discussed in the previous video. Now question is, prove that 1 plus y is tautology and 0 dot y is a falsity, and that is a nice question. So we will directly prove it. So if the question is 1 plus 1 is a tautology, so what we will do, we will take a variable y in a truth table. So here we have taken what, y, and because y is a single variable, so number of combinations will be 2 की power 1, because one variable is here only y. So एक ही variable है, so that's why 2 की power 1. If we are going to use two variables, so it will be 2 to the power 2. So here only two possible combinations are possible, that is 0 and 1. So we will write it here, 0 and 1. And for this one, because we have to prove 1 plus y is a tautology actually, so for one set of value हमारे पास क्या values होंगी उसके अंदर सारी 1 only. So here we will write 1 and 1. ठीक है, and now this is the result r. So you know what, when you will perform addition operation, so 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 dot 1 is 1. And do not get confused that 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, because that is the rule of binary addition. This is not binary addition, this is what, simple and or operation. ठीक है. Now next is, we have to prove for 0 dot y is a falsy. So in the same way you can prove for 0 dot y. Look at here, 0 dot y. So y is a single variable, so make the combination 0 and 1, and for 0 value you will take all the combinations as 0, and this is the result. Result is what, equivalent to 0 dot y. So if you will do the AND operation on these two set of value like 0 0, so answer will be 0, and for this 0 1 you will get answer as 0, right? That means in case of AND operation, if we are getting both the input as 1, then only we will get 1 as the output, otherwise not. ठीक है, and because we know in this table we are not getting the input combination of 1 1, that's why the answer is 0. So here you can see it is a falsy. Moving on to next. Again, what is a truth table, what is the significance? Read out the answer from here. Truth table is a table which represents all the possible values of logical variables or statements along with all the possible results of given combinations of values. You know what, that using truth table we can represent all the possible combination. Like if we are using one variable, so we know possible combinations are 0 1, that means total 2. If we are using two variables, suppose x and y, so total combinations are 4, 2 to the power 2. If we are using three variables x y z, so 2 to the power 3, that means total 8 combination. That means all the possible combinations. So given combinations of all the values can be represented by truth table. Now next is, in Boolean algebra, verify using truth table that x plus xy is equal to x. Yes. Now this type of question will come in your exam. Question is, x plus xy is equal to x. Now here we are using actually two operations. First is what? Now look at here. We are using plus and we are using dot. So in that case you will perform AND operation first, because it is having the higher precedence as compared to addition. So you will not do like this ki x plus x you will calculate and then final this result you will do AND product with y. This is wrong. No, what you will do, you will solve first x dot y. You will solve this first, and after that whatever result will come you will add on into x. So firstly perform AND operation, and after that you will add on. So look at here. x and y, two variables you are using, so 2 raised to the power 2 is 4 combinations, so write half zeros and half ones, then 0 1 0 1. So these are the possible combinations. Now look at here for the dot product, that means for the performing the AND operation, if the input combination is this, that means in the input column if you are getting all ones, then answer will be 1. Now look at here for this combination, for this you are getting all the input as 1, so answer is 1, otherwise answer is 0. Now you can see here 0 0 is 0, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, right? So xy you have calculated. Now next is xy will get added on into this x, ठीक है? So जब add on करोगे, so if all the entries in the input column are 0, then only you will get 0. Now look at here, for this and this it is 0 0, answer is 0, 0 and 0, answer is again 0, 1 0, answer is 1. एक भी 1 मिलेगा अगर इनपुट में तो आउटपुट आएगा 1, अगर दोनों ही 0 मिलेंगे तो आउटपुट क्या आएगा 0. नाउ 1 और 1, तो 1 और 1 मीन्स 1. So this is what you got here, 0 0 1 1, right? So this is the final answer. Now you can check it here, this output column x plus xy is actually equivalent to this, यानी कि x plus y is equivalent to x. So this is proved. Next question, question number 6. In the Boolean algebra, verify using truth table. Yes, here it is. Question is, x plus y complement is equal to x complement dot y complement, correct? So what you will do is because you know bracket is having more precedence as compared to this, राइट पहले क्या करोगे आप, पहले आप निकालोगे, पहले आप ब्रैकेट्स को सॉल्व करोगे. सो यू विल डू व्हाट, यू आर यूजिंग टू वेरिएबल x and y डिफाइंड ऑन टू सेट ऑफ वैल्यूज zeros and 1. So x y, now make the combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, right? The next one is what, you will find out x plus y and then after that you will do the complement of it. So firstly आपको x plus y निकालना है और फिर उस पूरे उसका क्या निकालोगे, complement. So you will solve it here, x plus y, you know what, अब आपको याद रखना है प्लस ऑपरेशन एंड एंड ऑपरेशन. प्लस का मतलब क्या है, एक भी 1 तो आउटपुट 1. नाउ यू कैन चेक इट हियर फॉर 0 0 आउटपुट 0, ठीक है? If any one will be there in the input, output is 1. If anyone, yes, output is 1. If anyone is there, output is 1. अगर दोनों 1 होंगे तो भी 1 आएगा, मतलब all 1s हैं तो भी 1 आएगा. And if you are getting all zeros, only in that case you will get 0. ठीक है? So x plus y you got it. Now next is what, x plus y का complement find out करना है. So complement means inversion, that means negation of it. Means 0 into 1 and 1 into 0. So look at here for the next one. 0 का क्या हो गया, 1, 1 will be converted into 0, 1 will be converted into 0 and 1 will be converted into 0. So this left side you have solved already. Now next is, you have to prove it is equivalent to x complement dot y complement. So you have to solve what, x complement individually, y complement individually, and then perform the AND operation. So find out the x complement. So x complement is actually what, inversion. So 0 का 1 हो गया, 0 into 1, 1 into 0, 1 into 0, correct? In the same way you will find out for y complement also, and then find out the product of these two, this one. So 1 1 is 1, 1 0 is 0, 0 dot 1 0, 0 dot 0 is 0. Now you can check it out that this column and this column both are same, both are identical. So it is proved, right? I hope it's clear to you. You only have to remember the rules. Next question, give the truth table for the Boolean expression. Now this is the homework for you. Truth table आपको find out करनी है for this expression, x plus y complement का complement. So what you will do is, don't look at the solution. First question is this, x plus y complement का full complement, ठीक है? So first you perform what, first you solve out the bracket. So bracket में क्या है, x, bracket में given है x plus y complement. So you find out x You find out y, then you find out y complement here, then perform the addition operation x plus y complement, solve it here, and then final जो bracket आया उसका क्या निकालोगे, negation. So solve it here and this is the final answer, right? Next question. So this is homework. Moving on to next, 8th a part. M is equal to n dot p plus r. So here it is what, m is equal to n p plus r. Now how many variables are there total? All in all 3. And what are those variables? M, not 3, it's 4. Okay, just 3 are there, actually 4th is the resultant variable, right? Look at here, m is the resultant variable, but the question is defined on 3 set of variable, that is n, p and r. So total combination 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. So now what you will do, 8 है तो half half करोगे, 4041 2021 2021, then again make it half, 01 01 01 01, right? Now next is perform p plus r first because it is inside the bracket. So you will solve p plus r. So p plus r solve कर लो यहाँ पे पूरा, this is what you will get, ठीक है? And then do the AND product with n, this column, and you will get this as the answer. So solution is in front of you, solve it yourself. Next, B question. These are for your practice actually, so try to solve it. And now next one is m is equal to n plus p plus np bar. Now here we, in the input expression, actually input expression mein what we are doing, we are using two variables, m, here something is wrong in this question, leave it, this is wrong, because here actually in the input column 3 variables are given, n, p and r, and in this question r is not given, राइट आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे आर को कहीं पे यूज़ नहीं किया और आर को इन्होंने इनपुट कॉलम लिया हुआ है, ठीक है? सो दिस इज़ इनकरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, लीव इट. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट, 9th. Yes. Use truth table to prove that AB plus BC plus CA bar is equal to AB plus CA bar. Now it is defined on 3 variable A, B, C. So 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. So 8 combinations A, B, C, and make here 8 combinations, right? Now next is you have to use what, A bar. A bar आपको यूज़ करना है LHS साइड में, तो you will find out A bar, and ए बार यू नो वॉट, इन्वर्शन करना है 0 to 1 को 1 को 0 में, तो दिस इज़ वॉट यू विल गेट नाउ, ऑल 4 0 विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू ऑल 4 1s, और जितने ये लास्ट वाले 1s हैं वो कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे सारे ज़ीरोज़ में. उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, आप ए और ए डॉट बी को सॉल्व कर लो अलग से, बी डॉट सी को सॉल्व आउट करो, एंड सी डॉट ए बार को सॉल्व करो. सो हियर वी हैव डन वॉट, ए बी, बी सी एंड सी ए बार, तीनों को सॉल्व करके परफॉर्म द एडिशन ऑफ ऑल 3. And when you will perform the addition, now look at that, when you will perform addition, just hold on, yes, here it is, AB, BC, this and this. Perform the addition operation. If any one will be there, output is 1. If any one in the input column, output will be 1. अब आपको solve इसको करना है, ठीक है? Now look at here, 0 0 0, is there any 1? No, so that means answer is 0. In this value, yes, answer 1. 0 0 0, answer 0. 0 1 1, आंसर इज़ 1. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक 1 तो मिल रहा है ना, एटलीस्ट 1 होना चाहिए, एटलीस्ट 1 टाइम 1. 0 पर 0, ऑल ज़ीरोज़ पर 0, एनी 1 पर 1 और एनी 1 पर 1, ठीक है? देन फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन, सॉल्व आर एच एस योर सेल्फ, ए बी प्लस सी ए बार, सॉल्व इट योर सेल्फ, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट यू कैन चेक इट आउट दैट इफ दीज टू आर आइडेंटिकल देन हेंस प्रूफ, ठीक है? सो एल एच एस इज इक्वल टू आर एच एस. नाउ नेक्स्ट, गुड क्वेश्चन, 10th. What are the basic postulates of Boolean algebra? Here it is. Basic postulates of Boolean algebra, that is the part of your first chapter. So write this question in your notebook. 10th. Yes. Following are the basic postulates of Boolean algebra. Now first one is what? इफ़ x नॉट इक्वल टू 0 देन x इज़ इक्वल टू 1. अगर x नॉट मीन्स x कॉम्प्लीमेंट, ठीक है, इफ़ x नॉट इज़ इक्वल टू 0 देन ऑब्वियसली x इज़ इक्वल टू 1. या आप ऐसे समझ सकते हो, इफ़ x इज़ इक्वल टू 1 देन x नॉट इज़ इक्वल टू 0. राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट, और रिलेशन, दैट मीन्स और मीन्स लॉजिकल एडिशन. लॉजिकल एडिशन क्या बोलता है, देर आर सम रूल्स लाइक फर्स्ट वन, 0 प्लस 0 इज 0. एडिशन अगर हम करते हैं, ठीक है, 0 1 पर, तो 0 प्लस, अब 4 कॉम्बिनेशंस बनाए हमने, क्या, 0 0 0 1 1 0 एंड 1 1, एंड परफॉर्म द एडिशन ऑपरेशन ऑन दिस. सो 0 प्लस 0 इज 0, ठीक है, 0 प्लस 1 इज 1, येस, 1 प्लस 0 इज 1 एंड 1 प्लस 1 इज 1. अगेन this is not binary addition, this is what, or relation, logical addition, not binary addition. This is logical addition, not binary addition. Binary addition होता है तो 1 plus 1 is actually is what, 0, not 1. ठीक है, तो लॉजिकल एडिशन मतलब और रिलेशन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट इज एंड रिलेशन. एंड रिलेशन का मतलब बीच में इफ़ आई अप्लाई डॉट इन बिटवीन दीज टू वैल्यूज, सो 0 डॉट 0 इज 0, 0 डॉट 1 0, 1 डॉट 0 0, 1 डॉट 1 is 1. This is again given wrong here, it will be 1. And relation, right, 1 dot 1 is 1, make it correct. Next, fourth, complement rules. Complement rules, you know what, if 0 negation is given, so 0 negation means 1, and if 1 negation will be there, so it will be 0. So complement rule क्या कहते हैं कि 1 अगर वैल्यू गिवन है, 1 का नेगेशन करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा, 0, और अगर 0 गिवन है, 0 का नेगेशन करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा, 1. So this is complement rule, right? So this one you write it in your copy, 10th question. Rest of the other questions also you can note it down if you want. Next, this question again important, we have already discussed, leave it, this question, principle of duality, ठीक है. And one more thing is addition in the previous question, that what is the use of principle of duality in Boolean algebra. So principle of duality is used in Boolean algebra to find out the complement of the Boolean expression, to find out the complement of the Boolean expression, right. Next, question number 12 already discussed, leave this, principle of duality again, ठीक है. एक्चुअली ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये क्वेश्चन फॉर श्योर मतलब 90% चांसेस होते हैं कि ये क्वेश्चन आता ही है, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डुअलिटी, ठीक है. तो आप इसको ज़रूर पढ़ना. और क्वेश्चन हमेशा देखो ऐसे ही आएगा एग्जाम में भी, कि स्टेट द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डुअलिटी इन बूलियन अलजेब्रा एंड गिव द डुअल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बूलियन एक्सप्रेशन. डुअलिटी के प्रिंसिपल के साथ वो आपसे डुअल भी पूछेगा किसी भी एक्सप्रेशन का. तो अब एक्सप्रेशन एक्चुअली हेयर इट इज़ गिवन व्हाट, हेयर इट इज़ x प्लस वाई डॉट x प्लस जेड बार डॉट वाई प्लस जेड. आपको इसका डुअलिटी निकालना है, तो यू नो द रूल्स व्हाट, दीज थ्री आर द रूल्स एंड अप्लाई द रूल्स हेयर, you will get this as the answer, right. Complement will be unchanged and plus into dot dot into plus. So here is the answer of this, ठीक है. प्लस को डॉट में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, सो एक्स वाई, एक्स बार जेड बार, वाई जेड, डन. Moving on to next, leave this question, already discussed distributive laws, ठीक है. So we have discussed 3 laws, first, second and third. One more law was there, already done. Leave the next, move to the next one. 14th question, prove the idempotence law of Boolean algebra. So idempotence law, you know, again, and this is the given proof here, it is x plus x is x, this is idempotence, and x dot x is x. These two are idempotence law if you want to prove it. So क्वेश्चन अगर ऐसे आता है, और इसमें से एक क्वेश्चन ज़रूर आएगा, कोई सा भी आपसे एक लॉ पूछा जाएगा, एनी वन लॉ विल बी आस्क्ड इन योर एग्जाम एंड यू हैव टू प्रूव इट. ऐसे लिखा हुआ आएगा कि प्रूव देम विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रूथ टेबल. मोस्टली ट्रूथ टेबल से ही आते हैं क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. सो x and x, we know what, x plus x is x, so 2 times we have to write x in the truth table, and x, because it is a single variable, so only 2 combinations are possible, that is zeros and ones. So 0 and 1 you will write in this column, same for this column also, and apply the logical addition, that means or operation. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 1. So आपको देखो r जो मिल रहा है, आपको जो रिजल्ट मिल रहा है वो भी क्या मिल रहा है, x की तरह मिल रहा है. दैट मीन्स जो x कॉलम की वैल्यूज़ हैं सेम यू आर गेटिंग फॉर दी r कॉलम एज वेल. दैट मीन्स दोज 2 columns are identical. Same for the x dot x, you can prove it. So this question also good from 14th question. Write it in your notebook. Note it down. Next, 15th question. Prove the complementary law of Boolean algebra with the help of truth table. अगेन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री लॉ आपसे अब कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है ऐसा, ठीक है. अभी आइटम इंपॉर्टेंस लॉ था, ऐसे ही कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है और उसको प्रूव करने के लिए आया है, तो ये भी आप करोगे होमवर्क. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ट्रूथ टेबल फॉर प्रूफ ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ. अब डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ आपके पास गिवन है ऑलरेडी, मतलब इट इज़ नॉट गिवन एक्चुअली, यू हैव टू राइट द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ. सो दिस इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एंड दिस वन इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव. मेन टू होते हैं बट वन मोर वी आर हैविंग, दैट इज व्हाट, एक्स प्लस एक्स बार वाई इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस वाई. दिस इज द थर्ड लॉ, ठीक है, थर्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ. बट मेन जो होते हैं वो हमारे पास टू होते हैं. तो हमको प्रूव अगर करना है तो आपके पास सपोज आई वांट टू प्रूव दिस लॉ, x dot y plus z is equal to xy plus xz. So total 3 are there, x y z, तो 2 to the power 3 is 8. So 8 combinations बनाओगे x y और z के लिए. Then you will solve y plus z first because these are inside the bracket. So y plus z को solve किया और उसको x के साथ क्या कर दोगे, प्रोडक्ट कर दोगे. तो y plus z you have find out and here you can shift, it depends on you, ठीक है, हाउ यू आर फाइंडिंग इट. सो आपने क्या किया, x को डॉट प्रोडक्ट किया y z के साथ एंड देन नेक्स्ट कॉलम में यू विल फाइंड आउट x y हेयर, next column में xz here and find out the binary addition here. So you can see both these output columns are actually same. So LH is equal to RHS. ठीक है. In the same way prove for the next one also. Next question is for the absorption law again. So here we are having absorption law this and this. ठीक है. And now here it is given what, see, give the algebraic proof. Algebraic proof means using laws. Question can come in two ways, by either by using truth table or by using algebraic expression. ठीक है. तो अगर truth table से आता है तो previous 2-3 questions that we did, ठीक है, in the same way you will do in your exams. अगर question आता है using algebraic proof तो उसमें आपको laws लगा के करना है. अब laws लगा के कैसे, जैसे डिस्कस कर लेते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को. Now if it is like x plus xy, right, this is the first law, absorption law. Now हमें prove करना है कि x plus xy is actually equal to x. So what you will do, take x common from this side, you will get what inside the bracket, 1 plus y, and you know what, 1 plus y is 1, right. So x dot 1 is x, hence proved. Very simple, ठीक है. So this is how you will prove using algebraic method or using Boolean laws. In the same way for the next, prove algebraically this. Yes, ये आपको प्रूव करना है. देखो algebraically इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस 18th, ये आप क्वेश्चंस नोट डाउन करो कॉपी में एंड इसको प्रूव करो, ठीक है. ऑलरेडी टॉपिक्स वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन. अब ये सिर्फ रिविजन है, जितना आप मैक्सिमम रिविजन कर सकते हो दैट विल बी गुड फॉर यू, ठीक है. तो ये आपको करना है. इसमें आप कैसे करोगे, you will solve first x plus y, first bracket को solve किया, then solve the next bracket and then find out the dot product. Sorry, algebraically, not truth table, leave it. Yes, how will you prove it, expand the brackets, ठीक है. एक्सपैंड करने का मतलब क्या है कि इनको ओपन कर लो ब्रैकेट्स को, यानी कि क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे. सो व्हेन यू विल परफॉर्म क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन यू विल गेट व्हाट, हियर लुक एट. नाउ x की मल्टीप्लाई करो इस पूरे ब्रैकेट से, x प्लस जेड से, क्या मिलेगा, यू विल गेट x डॉट x, यानी कि x डायरेक्टली मैं लिख रही हूँ, आप कॉपी में पूरा लिखना. तो x एंड साइड में देखो ये, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू राइट ऑल द लॉज. यू हैव टू मेंशन द लॉज विच एवर यू आर अप्लाइंग इन द एग्जाम. इट इज़ मस्ट टू अप्लाई इट, अदरवाइज योर मार्क्स विल गेट डिडक्टेड ऑन दिस. सो x, यस, सो x का आप जब ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, सो x डॉट x ये is x. Now x की multiply z से की, you will get plus xz plus. Now this y को multiply करो इससे, it will be xy plus इस y की multiply do it with z, it will be yz, right. Now take common x from starting 3 terms, first, second and third term. Take x common. When you will take x common, bracket के अंदर क्या आ जाएगा, 1 plus z, this is not bar, this is tick sign, right, x plus z plus y, and outside the bracket yz, correct. Now next step, 1 plus something is 1, properties of 1, so it will be x dot 1 plus yz. This is the next step. Now next step will be what, x dot 1 is x, properties of 1 plus yz, hence solved. X plus y z you got as the answer. Here you can see, right? So LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. This is the complete solution. Last may also write hence proof. Now next, solve it yourself. 19th solution is already there in front of you. You can check your answer. Now next is, what are De Morgan's theorem? Prove algebraically the De Morgan's theorem. Algebraically नहीं आएगा De Morgan's, ठीक है, आपको इतना ज़्यादा नहीं करना, आपको सिर्फ क्या करना है, De Morgan's आता है तो वो आएगा आपका ट्रुथ टेबल से, ठीक है. मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन जो आएंगे वो ट्रुथ टेबल से ही प्रूव करने के लिए आएंगे. अगर आपका 1 मार्क में आएगा या मैक्सिमम टू मैक्स आपका आएगा 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन में, ठीक है. सो दिस वॉज इनफ फॉर टुडे. Now in the next video we will discuss some more questions, and up to today it's enough. So do it please at your home. Whatever questions I have given you as the homework, please try to do it, because whenever your school will get reopened, maybe you will not get that much time to revise it, ठीक है. सो इट विल बी गुड फॉर यू इफ़ यू विल प्रैक्टिस इस नाउ ओनली. और जितना अभी आप पढ़ रहे हो, जितना अभी कर लोगे उतना ही बेटर होगा, ठीक है. चलिए, फॉर टुडे नाउ इट्स ओवर. थैंक यू.